Hey there, so in this video I'll try to train a bot using Anthropic's Claude 3 Opus with Python's latest stable version, which is 3.12. So Opus is great at coding, but if you ask Opus about 3.12, it is still living in the past, and it says that it's the upcoming version of Python programming language. It has not been officially released yet. So to overcome this limitation, what I'm going to do is basically create like a bot and feed Python 3.12's changelog to it, and let's see how it works. So I am going to go to my dashboard as the first step, and I'm going to click on this create app button. So and let me also load up Python 3 latest versions changes. So this is the changelog and the summary. So let's see, Python 3. Okay, so I'm going to be using this as context for the bot. So what I'm going to do is basically convert this into a PDF. So I'm going to hit print. But I don't need the whole thing, and Opus is already is pretty slow, and the more context I use, the worse it gets in responses. So I'm only going to be using the essential parts. So I can see that after optimizations, I don't really require demo and tools and the sections below it. And if I do, then I'll just I'll just edit my app and try to see try to just add that too. But I'm going to be using until page 15 or page 16 basically, and I'm going to be using that as my training knowledge base. So let me save 1 to 16. Save. So let me call it Python 3.12 PDF, and I'll just save it. And now once that's done, I'll go back to the create new app option. Over here I will select Claude 3 Opus, and for the theme I'm going to go for the dark one, because it's just better for coding related bots. And I'm going to name it Python 3 Opus. So yeah, and in the description I'm going to say AI bot that generates code, tries to generate code for Python 3.12, and for the prompt I had it written down. So you're now a bot called Python 3 Opus, which is trained on the Python 3.12 changelog. So now I'm going to just insert the PDF that I have, and payments. Okay, so I'm gonna go with $10 for maybe like 50 chats, but I'll be pretty generous with the free chats, so I'll do like 15 free chats. And the last thing I need is basically like an image, so I already downloaded this Python logo, and then I'm gonna hit create app. Okay, let's see. Cool. So let's test this. Let's first verify that it's actually working. So I'll run like a very basic Python query. So it's going to be add numbers, or how to add numbers. Yeah, let's see. So Opus is already quite slow. Okay, that's working. Let's use something that's only specific to 3.12. So let me find something that I can use. We can test the we could test error messages, or okay, let's test calendar, because that's pretty simple. So add enums calendar.month, calendar.day. Let's see if it's able to pick that up. So how to use the calendar class. Okay, great. And then just wait for some time. So over here I'm expecting it to mention calendar.month and calendar.day, because that's what's in the latest Python 3.12. Okay, let's see. Calendar examples. Okay, I can. Well, Uh, so I can see that it mentions in Python 3.2 two new names were introduced to represent months of the year and days of the week, respectively. And I think that that is something I was expecting. So I can adjust my prompt and say that, specifically use what's there in 3.12 in the examples or in the code. But this doesn't mean that it won't work. And this is pretty good, though. So I can basically just use it and see if something is not working, test it out, and adjust my prompt. So I'm going to launch this, and yeah. So let me quickly launch this. Just launch. So test it out yourself if you code in Python, and let me know how it is. Thanks.